I'm Sean, and today I'm going to talk to you about the moon. So, the moon is always orbiting the Earth, and the Earth is always orbiting the sun. And I'm going to talk about that and tell you 3 questions. So, I'm going to tell you about how the moon phases work, and I'm going to use some models. So this is my moon, and now we don't always just see like a full circle. Here's the sun, and so this is the sun right here. Here's the moon, and then I have a huge globe. So the moon is always going around the Earth, and the sun is making the moon light up because of the flashlight. My flashlight is making light, and it will land on the moon. Now this flashlight's broken, but that's okay. So if we're on the Earth and we're looking from here and we see the moon, the sun will be reflecting light to make a crescent. And a crescent is like a C kind of shape that the moon makes. And when the sun keeps reflecting on the moon, in 3 or 4 days, the moon will change its form. So from crescent, it will go into it can become a gibbous, and then it will become a new moon. And a new moon is where the part of the moon that's not shining at all. So it's just you don't see anything. It's just like that. You can't see the moon right here. If it was right here, I can't see it because the shadow is blocking it, kind of. Then a gibbous is like a little like more than a crescent. It's like kind of like a diamond shape. And then it looks like a half moon, but it's not really a half moon. This one, another form would be called a quarter moon, because you see half of the moon, but it's a sphere, and so there are like 4 halves in the moon, but really they become quarters. So then you see 1/4 of the moon. So, but then when it starts, and you see the moon after its new moon, it starts waxing, which means it appears to be growing bigger throughout the days. And that would mean it goes from crescent to a bigger crescent to a bigger crescent to then eventually it gets to the first quarter, and that would take a while, but it gets there. And then when it gets to the full moon, it starts waning, which means it starts getting smaller and smaller and smaller, smaller and smaller and smaller. And then it starts all over again. So that's my video, and I really hope you know how the moon works now, that the waxing is where the moon appears to be growing, waning is where it appears to be smaller. The moon is always rotating around the Earth, and it appears to make different kind of shapes because of the sun reflecting onto it and reflecting back onto Earth. Thank you.